All right, here we go. 2010 Bowman Chrome. Triple big board. Still going. Ryan, let's do it again. We'll put another box up for you. Next $100 purchase, guys. Next $100 purchase will get a snap fill bonus spot. FYI, next $100 purchase, snap fill bonus spot. All right, what are we gonna get out of here? Good luck, everybody. Spot 1. Greg M. Nothing. We're going for some Altuve color, maybe. Let's see how we do. With Gary Sanchez. Wow! Leighton! 2 in a row. Second pack in, Daniel Seltzer.
No way.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
This is ridiculous.
And it's not scratched, which is very
That's
difficult.
ridiculous. What's that go for?
I haven't looked, but they were at one point a lot of money. I'm sure it's still pretty good. I have to look.
Sure. That's amazing.
Gary Sanchez, spot
Daniel
2.
will grade it on the house for you if you'd like. That's amazing. Congratulations.
Yeah, and we're not done. So who knows what else is in here? Could be
You just started.
just second pack in.
Love it. Can you look up what they go for?
I'm gonna do that now. Boom, Daniel Seltzer. PSA 10, 2010 Chrome Sanchez, 750 and a 10. Boom. They're still heavy. Tough to get 10s in on this card. It was a very, very tough card. Guys, I'm telling you, while I'm on fire with this Bowman Chrome, should buy more. I'm on fire. 2 in a row. Not done yet, by the way. Not done yet. Could still be some Altuves in here. You know what I mean? We'll do that for you, Dan. Okay, we're up to spot number 4. Tony Walters. Guys, we're doing triple big board until 10 o'clock. Triple big board till 10. Guys, take advantage of my Bowman Chrome fire right now. Here's spot number 5. Angel Morales, whoever that might be. Well, let's keep it going. Here's spot 6, Daniel again. Nothing. Spot 7. Sean Hunter. Guys, triple big board, guys. I'm telling you, triple big board. You can get your hands on some nice stuff. Listed some more Bowman Chrome. We're up to spot 10. Lance McCullers. Guys, there could still be USA autos in here, I believe. Could be McCullers. There's a few others. Here's spot 11. Brennan Bosch. A regular Gary Sanchez. This is a good pack. Spot 11. Daniel Seltzer again. These cards do curve a little. If anybody remembers the 2010 Bowman Chrome and Topps Chrome. That was spot 11. That was Daniel. We're up to spot number 12 right now. Triple big board, guys. Triple big board. How about the next two purchases? Next two purchases, I'm going to do 4 times big board. Starting right now. Next two purchases, 4 times big board. Let's see if somebody takes me up on that. As we're going for an Altuve. Here's spot 14, Daniel. Kyle Blanks. Here's spot 15. So far, no Altuve, but we did get a Gary Sanchez in the autograph in the second pack. Here's 16. Almora Donaldson. Okay, two more spots remain in this break. And last but not least, Troy Shannon. Good luck, Troy. Aroldis Chapman. So no Altuve. 2010 Bowman Chrome in the books. Thank you.